Wanna know how to handle exceptions in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily handle exceptions. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. So this is a basic example of handling errors using a try catch. We're trying to divide 10 by 0, which normally crashes the program. But since it's inside our try block, so you can see this try block right here, when the error happens, it jumps into the catch block and prints out custom error message. So try is like try this risky stuff and catch is like something broke, here's what to do. No crash, no panic, and it's well handled. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.